Channel. In this video what we're going to see is Flappy Bird, how to make Flappy Bird in Scratch part 1. So first we're going to see, we'll create a bird that can fly and the air pipes randomly spawn from the edge of the screen by creating the bird. So let's get started. First let's go to costumes and delete the second costume, and I'm going to show you to draw the bird. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first we'll go to circle and drag. We'll make a circle. Now I'm going to add a black outline right here. Okay, so and I'll make it to like 5. Yeah, I'll make it to 5. Oh, so what is, I'll just make the size a little bit smaller, and yeah, that's okay, and little bit big, sorry. Okay, now we're gonna draw the eyes inside. Okay, let's draw the eyes. We'll make the eyes in black in color. Okay, so the eyes is black, and then we will make this into yellow color. Okay, this is the color. Inside will be black. Okay, I'll make the circle that big. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, and the circle inside smaller. Yeah, now what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to zoom it in, and then let's make its beak. So we'll take the line option and start it from here. Okay, around here, and then drag it like that and bring it like that, and select that and make that into yellow. Okay, wait, I'll use this tool. So this tool is used to, like, if I click this color, the color will automatically come. Okay, so I'll make the beak a little smaller. Okay, yeah, now it's fine. Okay, and then I think I'll make it more smaller and circle a bit smaller, and we'll draw its legs. Okay, so first here, start 1. So this one will go down a bit, and this one will be like up. Yeah, that's it. So I'll make the leg here just come a little bit here, and this leg a little bit there, and tilt it a little bit. So yeah, it's finished. So let's go to the code, and then now let's start coding. So first let's go to the events, drag a when flag clicked, and then go to the forever, and then drag an if loop, and go to sensing, drag a mouse down. So what is the mouse down does is, the mouse down, when we click it, right, the mouse down makes it go like up like that. Okay, so let's, when do this stuff when the mouse is down, so first of all we want the bird to be affected by the gravity. So when we click, it should go up and come down. So what we have to do is, let's go to variables and let's create a variable y velocity, and don't forget, it's very important, click for this sprite only. Okay, just a second, for this sprite only, it's really important. And then yeah, So this is going to be the speed of the bird, which is going to do up and down, up and down, up and down. So let's drag and set. So let's drag set y velocity to. Oh, oops! You put it before the when green flag click. Okay, it's really important. And then we'll click go to. I want the board starting from here somewhere. Here. So it's negative 177 and negative 12. Okay, yeah. So I think I'll rename this variable as change in y. Change in change in sorry y. Okay. And this tutorial is made from Warframe. Okay, I already made a video on Flappy game. Check check it out. Links in the description down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's get started. Okay, so grab and change y by go to variables and drag this change y. So what is this? That the y position of the bird is always going to change by the change in y. So you now have to set the values for change y. So if we press the mouse button, we want to set the change y by um, change y by 9, I guess. Let's try it. So the y is like the bird speed, I think. Okay. So as you've seen, if we click it right, it goes up. That's because this, you see this program here, this program makes it go up. So this program is basically what makes it go up. So now what we do is we go to variables, grab and change. Okay, change y by, let's say, negative 8 or negative 7. No, negative 0.8. Oh, let's see. Okay, now it's fine. Now it's good. Okay, now let's go and create the pipes. So click this paint sprite and then what is, let's go grab a green color around here. Dark and a little bit. Okay, so now I'll drag it like this, I guess. So smaller. And if you want to play the original game, check it out. Links in the description down below. Check my Scratch profile. I've nearly made like 3 to 4 games. Okay. So bring this like kind of up. Now I'll make a rectangular tool and make it like that. Yeah. Yeah, right above here. So let's add another one like this. This is the top pipe. Let's duplicate this and select, oh, select this and flip it vertically. Okay, so this is the bottom pipe and this is the top pipe. Okay, bring this down here like this. I think I'll make this more like thicker. Yeah, this much thick. Yeah, this will be okay. Let's copy this. Yeah, that's it, guys. So what I just did is I just drew a rectangle, and the like a rectangle I just made square and made it thicker. Okay, now let's like adjust the line a little bit. So let's go when drag and when flag clicked, of course. So we wanted to create duplicates of it. So and starting from the end, so we're gonna make it easier. So let's go to. So we don't want the original sprite to show. So let's go. We only want to see the duplicates. We don't want to see the original sprite. Okay. So let's go to control, grab and forever events and uh, create a clone of myself. Okay, so we want to create a clone of itself because we have the top and the bottom pipes. So what this is that it creates the clone of the top and the bottom pipes. So let's get to the code back and let's go when I start as a clone. So I told you right, we have to show, we'll hide the original sprite and just we want to show the clones, okay? So let's start as a clone, show, and you see there's like a lot of sprites, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like how to say, millions of it. So let's actually create a variable for this. So first what shall we create? The name is um, top or bottom. Oh, sorry, bottom or top. Bottom, bottom or top pipe. So don't forget this is also for the sprite only. Okay, so if you don't click for the sprite only, the variable won't work. Okay, let's take set bottom or top pipe to see. Let's say top, okay, top, and just right click duplicate and put this bottom and make this as BOTTOM. So just then it creates its. So what we want is to set the bottom or top pipe to bottom. When you set it, then it creates a clone of itself again. So what it does, but this is pretty much what it is. Top or bottom pipe variable. So let's go to control and add a wait. Where is it? Wait 1 second. Here, oh, here into 3 seconds. Okay. And now we want to show and we want to drag an if else statement and we'll check if the top or bottom pipe switches its costume. So if bottom pipe, then it's going to switch the costume to the bottom pipe costume. It's a top pipe, it changed the top pipe costume, so that's why we use this top or bottom pipe. So let's go to operators, drag it equals. Let's go to variables, drag and bottom or top pipe is equal to top. Sorry, bottom. And uh, let's go to looks, drag and switch costume to cost. Okay, so I forgot one thing. What is, we have to rename these variables to top pipe and this one to the bottom pipe. Oh, sorry, bottom pipe. Okay, now let's go to the code. Okay, and duplicate this into top pipe. Okay, so now if you see it should come for you like this. Okay, so nothing really happens now. So you have to position the bottom or top pipe right here. Okay, so in this place, let's now just for now, let's go to motion, drag and go to, let's, so let's just show this point and drag it. I think I'll bring it somewhere over here. Okay, so that will be x 175 and negative 96. Okay, I want it more like edge here. Okay, let's try 259. Okay, let's see how that works. Yeah, that's fine. So I like it to be more like up, so I'll make it like negative. Okay, now negative to 12 itself is fine. Let's duplicate that. We want the top by show me the top, and that would be 259 and 54. So yeah, that's fine a bit. Now let's go to control and grab and wait until I'm sorry, repeat until. So after reaching the left side of the screen, we want to let's grab an operator less than operator. Okay, let's go to motion, grab an X position. Okay, X position is less than, let's say, so let's say negative 237. Okay, so 37, and let's go to control and drag and delete this clone. Action, let's go to the motion and grab and change X block. and let's change it to -5. Okay, so we want the pipes to move towards left by 5 units until it reaches the edge. Okay, so then it hides here, you see this part. Now if you see, yeah, I think the bottom pipe is too low, kind of. Okay, so the last time it worked for me properly. Oh yeah, so I'll just bring it like that. Now I think it should work. Yeah, just bring it to the center for now, and this one for the center. Sorry guys, I just wanted to do some checking. Just for now, leave it and then I'll show you after some time. I think we'll make the more thicker, bigger. Yeah, this is fine. Sorry guys, okay. Oh, okay, let's go here. So it should be like this. Yeah, now it's fine, man. Yeah, it's okay. I like the way it is now. Now, if you've seen, the pipes seem to be working. So let's create a new variable. However, we want it spawning in the X position also. So what we have to do is let's go to the variables, create a new variable. It will be random y spawn. Variable random y spawn position, I guess so. And don't forget for this word only. So what we want the random X position for the blocks to spawn from. So to do that, let's drag into this loop before here, and let's go to operators. Let's grab pick random and pick random. Let's say, wait, let's first show the original sprite and then we'll decide that. Somewhere about here. Okay, I think it will be 153 and okay, -285, 285, 284. Okay, so we want the space for the pipes. Okay, you see you can't put your bird inside this tiny gap, so let's go to costumes. Okay, what we'll do is we'll drag this. Oh wait, we'll copy this and then let's paste it here And I think this much gap will be fine. Yeah, I'll make it little more. Okay, this is enough. And delete the sprite, and we can duplicate this and delete the top sprite. So this will be the space between the top and bottom pipe. Okay, I think no, it should be fine. Why does it maintain this much gap? Okay, now let's give it 79 and negative 79 because I reposition these two sprites. That's why the it maintained a lot of gaps. So now it's super easy. We can do everything. Blah blah fetch fetch. I think we are missing something. Okay, sorry guys. Actually, the switch costume comes here down. I made a mistake. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I put the bottom part there and I didn't notice. So this will be negative 212. Okay, and the bottom part will be, yeah. This should be fine. I think so. Okay, they spawn correctly, but I don't know. For the Y, let's drag this random Y spawn position. No, should spawn. Yeah, yeah, come on. Okay, I think we'll have to maintain more gap. Fine, that's pretty much that pipe. Now, as you see, it works really well. I think the wait 3 seconds is too long. I'm going to make it wait 1 second, I guess so, because it maintains a lot of gap. Yeah, now it's fine. Now let's go to the costume. If you see, means sometimes the pipes spawn like up and down. So what I'm gonna do is, I'll just bring it here and extend this very like big and bring that to its position. Right. What I'll do is I leave a mark here, okay, a kind of like mark here so that it does this thing. Get like very big, and I keep that right here, and I'll copy this one and paste it here. So why do I do this? Now why did I do this means before I just like stop in between, and at that time what happened is I saw like the pipe was coming too much like up. Okay, I'll show you. It was like half like this and half like that. So what I thought is, why if we extend it, right, so it's going to stay in its same position, and I'll extend it like that. So if you want them to be aligned proper, just like draw a line, you can find if it's aligned proper. Yeah, now if you see, there's like much space here inside. Now this will be fine. Yeah, they say that's pretty much. I think it's okay. I think I'm eating a lot gap. Yeah, but in the game it will be really hard. Okay, let's. Okay, I forgot. So bring this little bit down, and yeah, I think yeah, that's good. Now I think a little up. Yeah, this is okay, guys. So this is the gap between the pipes. So let's delete off this. So now let's go to the game. Increase. Okay. Now I think the bird, I'll make it smaller. I guess so. Maybe like set size to 80. Yeah, I think it's too small. I'll keep it at 85. Yeah. And remember, your pipe's costume should always be in bottom, okay? Because the bottom's only the first spawning. If you change it to the top pipe, it will turn into top pipe. Okay, sorry, this is not top pipe 2, this is bottom pipe. If you change this to top pipe, and so I've done the calculation a bit, so I can't change it right now. So keep it at the bottom and always start the game. Okay, the spawning is pretty smooth, and yeah. So this is pretty much the game. I hope you like it. So we'll just do a little bit. So if you like, I want the bird when it's clicked right to make like a flapping and go like this. Like I want the bird to like when it's flapping it should go like that, like little bit of up. As you've seen the birds, the name is Flappy Bird and the bird should flap right. So what I'll do is just point in direction of 45. Okay, now we have to set it back to its original, so let's go point. No, let's go to control, grab an if statement, go to operators, grab an equal less than operator, and if the direction, come on, if the direction is less than 90 degrees, so let's say turn clockwise 3 degrees. Okay, now I think it should be fine. Yeah, okay, yeah, now it's fine. So I think you liked it. If you want, you can like make it more bigger, like 50 degrees. It will turn 50 like that. So I like 45, so I can keep it at 45. Okay, so I think I'll change it to maybe like 4 degrees. Okay, now we'll want to make like a simple game losing screen. So we want, let's go to the and grab like if touching sprite 2, which is the pipes, if touching sprite 2, then let's go to control and stop all. So this will be like a simple game losing part. If you like touch the pipes, like the game will stop. Yeah, like that just for now. Let's hide all of these. Okay, sorry, let's hide the variables. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. So follow me on Instagram, links in the description down below, and check out my scratch game. That's also links in the description down below. So until then, peace out.